Ito usually yung mga naririnig ko sa mga gusto mag-start ng business pero walang nangyayari. Bro, inaaral ko pa lahat eh. Ha! Hindi mo kailangan aralin lahat. You just have to know the basic. Once you know the basic, you have to start. You will learn more from trying, from doing the things instead of watching and reading things na related to it. So start. Wala pa akong time. Walang time. Tapos makikita mo, nagsi-cellphone, naglalaro ng games, tapos nanonood ng TikTok or mga reels. Yun ba yung walang time? Bro, cut those things if you really are serious on starting your business. Baka mag-fail ako eh. Ha? Yun nga yung dahilan eh, kung ba't gusto kita mag-start ng business. Gusto ko mag-fail ka kasi yun yung magtuturo sa'yo ng mas madami pa. Sa first business mo, hindi ka magsasucceed, I can guarantee you that. Unless sobrang laki mo na napalago mo agad yung business mo sa one go lang. Mag-fail at mag-fail ka sa first to 3 business mo, and then once you know how business really works, that's when you succeed. Wala pa akong pera eh. Oh, ano ginagawa mo ngayon? Bro, kung wala kang pera and yung business na gusto mo need ng capital, you have to start finding things to earn that capital. Either you work to gain the capital, to save for the capital, or you find an investor that believes what you want on your business or what business are you trying to make. You can reach out sa family members mo, sa friends mo, or sino man na kilala mo. If they don't help you, it's okay. At least you tried. Again, at least you tried. That's when you go to the first route where you find a job. Instead of watching like motivation videos or tutorial videos, you have to do the things that matters. Now, the message of this video again is you just have to learn the basics. And once you do, you have to start right away. No questions asked, start. Just start. And again, if you want to learn more about business or specific on Airbnb or Airbnb arbitrage, follow, like, and share for more. See ya.